What's up, everybody? Today I have to make something fast to keep those away. Yeah, those are real zombies. What is it? Brains. That's the only thing these two were looking for. And hopefully I'm fast. Ah! I'll see you guys soon. Welcome back, everybody. First up, we've got 225 grams or 2/3 of a cup corn syrup. Next up, we've got 125 grams of applesauce. Next up, we've got 125 grams of applesauce, followed by 80 grams of pure cane sugar. Don't mind that loud barking dog out there. I'll take care of him. We have 5 grams of cream of tartar with a 1/2 gram plus 1 little pinch malic acid. Let me get that out of the way. We can't forget our 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon of lecithin granules. Don't mind all the gray matter dripping down. You know what? That's hot. Not like Paris Hilton would say. Because we don't want to get in trouble. Hush up, boy, or I'm going to turn you into a table. Maybe like the world's smallest table, but it's still a table. For the flavoring, we're going to do a little... Alright, where was I? That's right, the flavoring. We're going to do a little bit of cosmic strawberry. We're gonna blend this with something else. A little berry dragon fruit. We're going to help the mind unwind. Oh yes, we are. Alright, everybody. First into the pot, pure cane sugar. Followed by that gelatin. Let's swirl those around a little bit. You know the drill. Oh yeah, it's music to my ears right there. It's actually quite hard working with somebody else's hands. I never would have thought that. Now, let's get that corn syrup in. It's thick. It's real thick. But we'll get it. We'll get it all in there. At least I hope. Alright, I'll come back to this in a little bit. As you can see, there's quite a bit left. When I say it's thick, you're just gonna have to believe me. Now let's get our applesauce into the pot. This stuff isn't quite as thick. It's a whole lot easier to work with. Let's go ahead and stir this up a little. Alright, let's do 2 squirts of this. And 2 squirts of this. That should be good. Well, let's stir it up again. I really like that color. Oh, and that fresh smell of berries and dragon fruit. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'd like to smell like that all the time. Alright, I'm going to work on getting the rest of that corn syrup into the batch, and then I'm going to let it sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom. See you soon. And that's what we got from it, probably 10 grams. Now some of you are probably thinking, hey, why don't you put that into the microwave for a few seconds, just to warm it up? Well, that's simple, you see. My microwave exploded a couple nights ago. I'm just kidding. It didn't explode, but it did break down. I'm a silly goose. I would have used it. Now, even though this stuff is a little more difficult to work with, I'm gonna tell you, it makes one heck of a fine gummy. And don't even get me started on the hard candies. I know. I have yet to show you the hard candies, but I will, I promise. Alright, I think that's as best as I'm going to get, so I'll see you soon. Alright, the batch is ready to receive the oil. And this is just regular oil. Now this recipe is for the whole family. Everybody loves a little brains. It's smart food. Darn it, I wanted to get a slow-mo video. Oh well, better luck next time. Alright, we're going to stir this for the next 3 to 5 minutes, so all of that oil is fully incorporated within the batch. Next up, I'm going to add a few more squirts of the flavoring. One, two, and that was berry dragon fruit. 3, 4, cosmic strawberry, some more. Ooh yeah, let's hit it with some white food coloring, just a little bit, just like that, and just some simple red. 4 drops, let's see how that does. We're aiming for a nice light pink. Yeah, that looks good, don't you think so? I'm gonna continue stirring this, and I'll see you back in a few moments. Alright, we're going to let this come to a rolling boil. Just a nice little simmering boil. That's all it is. It won't hurt unless you get it on your hands. But as you can see, it wouldn't hurt me. So, once that happens, we'll add the acids. Bye. Alright, we've reached our goal. So let me get those acids added into the batch. Alright. There we go. We're just going to stir this for the next 1 to 2 minutes, just so we can allow that extra water to evaporate out. Not all of it, but most of it. Alright, I'm going to set up the pour station, and I'll see you there. I'll see you when it's time to sand. Well, I guess I'm a zombie now. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. If you need any help, you know what to do. Until next time, I'm Zomburns. Bye.